Your 2018-2024 Volvo XC40 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When your car displays a low battery warning or the fob's range decreases, it's time for a replacement. The CR2032 battery costs around $2 to $5 and can be found at most stores that sell batteries. To prepare, you'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. It's a good idea to wear gloves to keep the fob clean of any static discharge or fingerprints, but not required. Now let's replace the battery. First, locate the small seam on the key fob. This is where the two halves meet and can be separated. Gently insert your screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damage. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which way it faces. The positive side should be facing up towards the fob's cover. Insert the new battery in the same orientation, with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the two halves of the fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Volvo XC40. The whole process should only take 2 to 5 minutes. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly according to environmental regulations.